22 अक्टूबर 2024 को न्यू माइको रोड लक्संद्रा इलाके में आडुगोडी पुलिस स्टेशन के तहत सेंट्रल क्राइम ब्रांच CCB को ये काबिल एतबार मालूमात मौसूल हुई कि एक गैर मुल्की शख्स MDMA क्रिस्टल्स की गैर कानूनी तिजारत में मुलव्वस है। मुश्तबा शख्स एक मोटरसाइकिल पर था और ये इन ड्रग्स को बेचकर ग्राहकों को नशा फराहम कर रहा था, जिससे वो गैर कानूनी रकम कमा रहा था। CCB ने तकरीबन 1 किलो 3 ग्राम MDMA क्रिस्टल जब्त किए हैं, जिनकी मालियात 1 करोड़ 5 लाख रुपए है।
Bengaluru City Police has been taking up the case of peddling of drugs and transport of drugs in a big way, and we have taken a zero tolerance policy for this one. And the CCB police has been continuously raiding various places in the city and taking out the various drugs which are likely to be peddled in the city. Accordingly, on 23rd of October, the anti-narcotics wing of CCB has done an operation in Adugodi Police Station limits and apprehended one foreign national from African origin, and they have seized nearly about 1 kg 3 grams of MDMA crystals, which is worth about 1.5 crores. The drug was being sold by him in a motorcycle, and the motorcycle also has been seized. The accused is found to be involved in another case of narcotics in Mumbai in the year 2018. Now the accused has been arrested and he has been sent to judicial custody. With regard to the collapse of building in Hennur Police Station limits, police and the other agencies are involved in relief and rescue operations for the last 3 days. Accordingly, nearly about 15 persons have been rescued from the collapsed building, and also 9 dead bodies have been retrieved from the debris of the building which has been collapsed. In connection with this incident, a case has been registered in Hennur Police Station limits also, and today also one more dead body has been recovered from the debris. Hopefully in the next couple of hours the relief and rescue operations are likely to be concluded, and after that one the police will take up the investigation of the case, and all those responsible for the collapse of the building will be acted against as per law.